day trip to Dorchester and Maiden Castle. It's very impressive. I've been here before. We're on Rodriguez land in the Iron Age tribe, and this place was taken by the Romans somewhere between 43 and 47 AD probably. There's much discussion about how much evidence there is for that. There is somebody buried at the top with a great big iron bolt through them from a Roman one, so we can probably say that is the case. So anyway, yes, come to see, but most of all I come here not so much for the Celtic Romano-Britishness, but the Roman temple at the top. I'm sat in the Roman temple at Maiden Castle. My wife has accused me while being locked down of being returning to type, British type, of being now we're in a sort of national emergency of returning to a state of like Enid Blyton in Britain with my leather satchel and boiled eggs, going on expeditions into the country. But anyway, I'm in the Roman temple, which was built shortly after. I don't know its date, but it's a pretty unremarkable type of Roman temple. It has the basic square format. With an internal space, an ambulatory for people to walk around and discuss things with the priest, and in the centre a sacred space, a square centre of the building where the statue of the god would be, which would be private to the priest. And the reason I've come up here is because there's another one of these in Berkshire that has a Anglo-Saxon burial overlapping it. There's nothing really to see, but I wanted to take some footage of a Roman temple, Romano-British temple, where there is something to see, and we have that here. There's some nice stone footings, flints, some tiles, and some other stone. And with the cement that the Romans had cement 2,000 years ago, and Enid Blyton, my The Romans are stamping their authority on this landscape. This is a major fortification, obviously of really big importance, probably the most important Iron Age hill fort in England, possibly. and by sacking it, well, we don't know whether they sack it. They certainly defeated the people that owned this. They certainly defeated the people that owned this area, and part of so by plonking a great big temple slap bang on the top of it, they're saying this land is ours now. This is your symbol, and we're putting our own symbol on top. They syncretized other or synthesized Celtic culture and gods to once they've been conquered, much like Sulis Minerva in Bath. Sulis was the water goddess of Bath. Minerva was the goddess, the Roman goddess, and they looked at how Marcus Aurelius talks about this, sort of comparing Roman gods with and looking for their equivalent in the amongst the British, and then creating essentially a new religion that combined the two. And I have no idea what religion it was here, what cult it was here, but we can imagine that they probably did the same thing. So